Tama naman yun. Ang problema, Prosecutor Padulyon, ini-insist mo kasi yung restitution kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng problema. Will you still insist on that?
Sir, we never mentioned that restitution is a condition. Paulit-ulit po namin sinasabi yon, Mr. Chair, na hindi po siya kondisyon para ang isang tao ay matanggap o makonsidera bilang isang witness under the Witness Protection
Tapos na
Program.
tayo dyan. Tapos na tayo dyan. Ang
Kaya nga po,
naging
sinasagot ko
problema-
po kayo na hindi ko po namin sinasabi. Wala po kami sinasabi na restitution is a condition. So I'm not insisting on it, sir.
Hindi mo sinasabi ngayon, but when you were talking about a memorandum, yun ang sinasabi mo, there, pwede naming ilagay yung restitution because it is a matter of good public policy. Ano namang klaseng, kaya nga nahihirapan sila eh. Yung Diskaya, to my mind, were the first to apply under the Witness Protection Program. Ang problema, ang sabi ng then Secretary of Justice, now Ombudsman, ay hindi naman basta-basta ganun. Kinakailangan isaulin ninyo yung ininakaw ni. Ang problema po doon, kung wala namang wala namang korte pa pong nagsasabi kung talagang sila ay nagnakaw o nakapagnakaw, sino pong magkukwenta noon? Tapos ano yung in-explain ninyo under a certain paragraph of the law, merong memorandum na kung saan magkukomply sila doon, doon yung pinipilit yung restitution. And I think some of the potential witnesses that can be processed under that program, nagsipagbigay na ng kung ano-ano eh. Is that true?
Only those who have been admitted into the program actually returned or made the restitution, sir.
Why did they do that? They did that because it was their own initiative, or you required them to do that?
It was an agreement between the Department of Justice through the Secretary of Justice, sir, and the witness applicant po.
That is the problem. The agreement is based not on the provision of the WPP. Sabi ko nga, kung sinasabi ng WPP, it cannot be a condition. Kahit nasa memorandum, huwag mo ipipilit. Hindi po pwede yun eh. Kaya sinabi ko sa iyo earlier, and I think I should tell it again to you, sabi nating mga abogado, the spring cannot rise higher than its source. The law itself is the source. Ang spring, yung memorandum mo. Pinipilit mong ilagay sa memorandum yung restitution eh. O kaya merong ako nababalitaan, parang meron ng gustong umatras. Magkano ibibigay? At kanino ibibigay? Sino mag-a-account nun? Sino nagsabi nun na kung mangongolekta kayo sa DOJ? Di ba abuse of discretion yun, Mr. Padulyon?
No, it is not, sir.
What is it?
It is not abuse of discretion
What
when the
is
parties, if I may be allowed to answer,
Yes,
sir.
what is it?
Yes, sir. If the parties both agree to the terms and conditions contained in the memorandum of
But you
agreement,
cannot
there is no
impose an
abuse.
agreement. If you cannot impose an agreement which is not required by the law, especially if you will put restitution there, how can you do that?
Mr. Chairman, sir, yung restitution po, yung memorandum of agreement is a product of an agreement between both the Secretary of Justice, representing the DOJ and the WPP, and the witness applicant. Wala pong abuse doon kung pareho po sila nagkasundo. Paulit-ulit na po namin sinasabi na ito tayo, naghahanap tayo, naghahabol tayo doon sa mga taong nangurakot, tapos itong mga tao na umamin at handang magsoli, ayaw nating tanggapin yung kanilang sinusoli. Ano ho ang nakikitang mali doon? Para po sa amin, para ho maibsan kahit papano yung sakit at pagdurusa ng ating mga kababayan na nakikita nila na napakalaking pera ang nawala, ano ho ba yung maibalik natin yung kaunti? And remember, Mr. Chair, if I may...
Do not preach to the choir.
No, I'm not preaching,
Sandali lang. Ang pinag-uusapan natin, these people are supposed to be potential witnesses for the state. Kailangan tulungan natin ang Estado para ma-prosecute kung sino-sino ang dapat managot. Kaya nga natin sila ilalagdag. Mahirap ang gagawin nila. Malalagay sa alangin ang buhay nila. Kaya nga yung witness protection is for them. Sa title lang makikita mo, witness protection in interest para sa kanila yon. So yung memorandum of agreement, ayun ay dahilan lamang para masiguro mo na sila'y makikipag-cooperate. Kasi kahit na sila'y na-approve under the witness protection program, but they will not cooperate based on the memorandum, pwede mo siyang i-discharge eh. Alam mo, the court can still do that. At saka yung final approval ng witness, state witness, nasa court yun eh. Huwag mong kukunin yun eh. Kaso, isinasama ninyo yung restitution. That is the problem. And I will object to that. Palaging mali yun eh. E paano yung kay Diskaya? Pinipilit ninyo na mag-restitute. Sabi niya, ewan ko kung pinag-usapan ninyo. What did they tell you, Mr. Diskaya?
Your Honor, kung magkano po ang i-restitute po muna namin.
Oh, ano sabi nila? Magkano daw?
Ako po, hindi ko po masabi kung magkano po. Kasi para sa akin po, parang kami po ang nanakawan. Parang ibig sabihin, parang modern day na pagnanakaw. Ibig sabihin, yung nakaw ba? Siya pa ang magbibigay ng pera dun sa ninakawan niya. Parang ganun po.
Sabi niya kanina, it's a disagreement between the applicant and the DOJ. Did you agree that you will restitute any money to the DOJ?
Wala po pang maibibigay po. At saka...
Yun na nga, because wala kang maibigay, hindi kanya ipoprocess under the Witness Protection Program. Is that not correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, kung...
Mr. Chair, paano to? Ito si Mr. Diskaya, he was the first, tsaka yung asawa niya who applied under the WPP. The problem is, ang sabi ng dating DOJ Secretary, hindi, kinakailangan isoli muna yung mga pinagnanakaw. Hindi po pwedeng ganun-ganun lang. Paano ngayon siya mapuprocess if that was dangled? Paano siya mapuprocess to begin with?
May I be allowed to respond now, Mr. Chair?
PG, Padilla.
Thank you, sir. Sir, Mr. Chair, una, sabihin ko lamang po na kasinungalingan po yung sinasabi ni Mr. Diskaya na agad-agad silang sinabihan na magsoli ka. Ang pinag-uusapan po dito, bago man lang makapagsabi ng ganon, kailangan munang makita kung ano ang gusto at kayang sabihin at patunayan ni Mr. Diskaya at ni Mrs. Diskaya doon sa kanilang salaysay.
Prosec
Pero
General.
hindi po sila nakikipag-ugnayan sa department. Kaya hindi po sila mabigyan ng kaukulang proteksyon at hindi po ma-process yung kanilang application. So yung sinasabi po ni Mr. Diskaya, from the hearing of November 14 in the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, there was never a chance or an opportunity that Mr. Diskaya and or counsel even approach the department despite the proddings of the chairman.
Mr. Ano ba yung title mo? Mr. Prosecutor, Mr. PG na lang. Mr. PG, nung ako yung chairman pa dito, sila yung unang nag-apply. So, dahil kailangan nila ng protection, it was incumbent upon the chairman na sumulat sa Senate President to endorse yung kanilang application. That was the provision of law kasi. But even before they can do that, actually kasi nung sinasabi ko yon nung hearing, di ko naman alam mapapalitan na pala kami. Alam mo na yon, di ba? Yung araw din na yon, nag-press con na si Secretary of Justice. Narinig ko eh. Sabi niya, hindi po pwedeng ganon. I cannot apply. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta ganon na lang. And then the new Senate President based his judgment of not entertaining that application on the articulation of the Department of Justice. So, ang tinatanong ko nga sa inyo, hindi siya sinungaling. Ang mismong kayo ang nagbigay na ng condition kasi. Kaya sinasabi ko, if you insisted on the condition of restitution, how can Diskaya or any other persons similar to his situation even begin to apply under the WPP?
If I may respond, Mr. Chair. If I may refresh the memory of the good senator, during the last hearing of November 14, 2025, that matter that you raised about the statement made by the former Secretary of Justice was already put on the side when you asked that question. And we already informed the chairman that if they wish to file their application, if they wish to be processed, they go to the Department of Justice. Binanggit po yan, nasa transcripts po yan na sinasabi niya, sige, wala mo nang pag-uusapang restitution. But did they ever come to the department to coordinate with us? No, they did not. And let me just put it on record, sir, na hindi po ito question na kung sino ang nauna na nagsalita. Hindi po ito question kung sino yung naunang nagbanggit ng napakaraming pangalan kung hindi rin naman nila kayang suportahan ng ebidensya at wala rin namang silang mabibigay na magpuprove o magpapatunay doon sa kanilang mga sinasabi. Yan po ang kailangan naming suriin.
I am sorry, Mr. Chair, he did not refresh my memory. Pinupulyot mo yung memory ko eh. Hindi siya nagpunta rito na sabihin niya na, okay, pumunta ka sa DOJ, wag na muna natin pag-usapan ng restitution. Walang ganon. Nagpunta nga siya rito dito si DOJ Secretary din eh. O sabi ko, Boying, okay na ba yun? Papupunta. Di wala nang ano ha? Wala nang restitution ha? Basta papuntahin mo silang mag-asawa doon. Hindi ba nagpunta ka, Mr. Diskaya? Yung kinabukasan nung magkita kayo rito?
Mr. Diskaya, you may respond, but unfortunately, your time is up.
Your Honor, nung ano po, Your Honor, hindi po kami... yes po, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Sige.
proceed. Kasi tapos na yung time ni
Oh.
Senator Marcoleta.
Yes po, Your Honor. Opo.
Hindi nga,
Okay.
ipaliwanag mo.
Bali po, Your Honor, kasi po, di pa po nagsalita po yung misis ko na
Hindi nga, ganito. Wala na akong time eh. Pinapunta ka niya ron. Kasi nandito nag-uusap kayo eh. O, kayong dalawang mag-asawa, punta kayo ron ng alas 9. Pumunta kayo. Sinabi ba niya wala nang restitution?
Noong una po, wala pong sinabing may restitution, pero nung sumunod po, yung panghuli po naming usapan po is may restitution, magkano daw po ang i-restitute namin. Tapos kakasuhan din po daw kami at hindi didiinan. Pero gusto ko po, Your Honor, na hindi na po muna magsalita ng dire-diretso kasi po yung huli po yung misis ko na nagsalita siya na hindi daw po kami kasama sa WPP. Yung natatandaan ko po yung huling hearing po dito ay nakulong po yung misis ko sa Davao. Samantalang meron naman pong nag-exist na project. Kaya natatakot po ako, Your Honor, na baka pag nagsalita na rin po ako, baka po sa susunod po ako naman po ang makulong. Kaya hindi na po ako magsasalita.
Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,